How do I use the colored buttons on my Samsung remote to access different features?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the colored buttons on your Samsung remote to access different features. Whether you're a new Samsung TV owner or just curious about these buttons, I'll guide you through their functions and how you can make the most out of them.
Understanding the colored buttons.
The colored buttons on your Samsung remote are typically found in a cluster near the navigation pad or in a separate section. These buttons are labeled with different colors such as red, green, yellow, and blue. Each color corresponds to a specific function, and you can use them to access various features and shortcuts on your Samsung TV. Red button. The red button is often associated with recording or the record function. If you have a compatible storage device connected to your TV, pressing the red button while watching live TV allows you to start recording the current program. You can later access the recorded content through your TV's menu. Green button. The green button is typically used for accessing interactive features or displaying additional information related to the content you're currently viewing. For example, when watching a program with interactive features, pressing the green button can open up menus or options specific to that content. Yellow button. The yellow button is commonly associated with the Options function. Pressing the yellow button usually opens a contextual menu that provides additional settings or actions related to the current screen or application. It's a convenient way to access specific options without navigating through multiple menus. Blue button. Lastly, the blue button often serves as a shortcut for accessing the Guide or Info features. Pressing the blue button while watching TV brings up an on-screen guide that displays information about the current and upcoming programs. This guide is handy when you want to quickly browse through available channels or view program details.
Navigating menus and applications.
Apart from their specific functions, the colored buttons on your Samsung remote can also be used for navigation purposes within menus and applications. While navigating through menus, the red and green buttons are commonly used for scrolling up and down, respectively. The yellow and blue buttons, on the other hand, are often utilized for moving left and right, respectively. These navigation shortcuts can help you save time and easily browse through menus or applications on your Samsung TV.
Customization and compatibility.
It's worth noting that the functions associated with the colored buttons may vary depending on your specific Samsung TV model and the applications you're using. Samsung provides customization options that allow you to modify the functions of these buttons to suit your preferences. Refer to your TV's user manual or settings menu to explore the available customization options. That wraps up our tutorial on using the colored buttons on your Samsung remote to access different features. We covered the functions of the red, green, yellow, and blue buttons, as well as their navigation capabilities within menus and applications. Remember, these buttons can provide convenient shortcuts and enhance your overall TV viewing experience. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and have a great day.